Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are here to talk about conjoint analysis. I am Amit Lamsal. Currently, I am pursuing my master's degree from Webster University, and I'm I'm doing marketing analytics class with Eric Riney. So this is one of my course requirement to provide you little insights about the conjoint analysis, how to do it, and what are the steps that you should follow while doing the conjoint analysis? First of all, let us know what a conjoint analysis means. Simply, a conjoint analysis is a statistical technique that is used to understand how people value different features or attributes of a product or service. It presents different respondents with a series of options. It will have a different kinds of attribute, and it helps you to analyze and identify that which attribute is better than the other. Likewise, it helps to rank or choose between them. This method helps in determining which factors are most important in decision-making processes. It has many importances in our day-to-day life, and this analysis can be very fruitful if used properly. Some of them can be it is a customer-centric product development analysis, with the help of which business organizations can identify which attributes are better for the customers and which are not. Content analysis helps different companies tailor their products and services according to the preferences of the customer. That's why it is really important. Likewise, it is also helpful in pricing strategies because it helps in determining how much consumers are willing to pay for a particular feature, which is useful for pricing decisions. Likewise, it is also very helpful in market segmentation because it identifies different customer segments based on their preferences and their targets. Likewise, it is also important in gaining a competitive edge over its competitors because it emphasizes the most valued features that may not be available to the competitors. Likewise, finally, it also provides some trade-off insights because it helps companies understand what trade-offs consumers are willing to make, which is crucial for designing products that balance cost and desirable features. Thus, simply, we can say that customer analysis is a powerful tool for understanding consumer behavior, guiding decisions in product development, marketing, and pricing strategy. So without any further delay, I would like to show you one example with the help of which you can easily understand how it is really helpful in different business works. Okay. So here you can see in an Excel book, there is a problem that needs to be done with the conjoint analysis. Here in this problem, it is given that the owner of the natural soap company has asked you to help determine what three new soap to produce, combining fragrance, which contains attributes such as lavender, mint, and non-fragrant, and ingredients that contains attributes such as shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut butter, and the color that has two attributes, white or natural color. These soaps will be the part of the deluxe line and will be priced at $250, $3 and $350. And the owner is considering including an overnight delivery guarantee. So from the question, we need to conduct a conjoint research study and have the rank averages below with one representing the most preferred. So let's start this. So here in fragrance, you can see that there are three attributes: lavender, mint, and non-fragrant. In ingredients, you have shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut butter. And in price, you have three sections: $250 and $350, and three. In guarantee, you have two options, either yes or no, and in color you have also two options, natural and white. The rank is given in according to their preferences, that is 13, 11, 17 to 14. Here we can see the highest rank given is 18. So let's move it. The first step is to choose the different attributes and remove one of them. Here in fragrance, we have three attributes: lavender, mint, and non-fragrant. So for here, let's choose lavender, mint, and non-fragrance. So here I would like to choose only two, because that way I can help you more understand easily. So here I am removing the non-fragrant from the fragrance. Likewise, in the ingredients there are three factors: shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut butter. Here also I would like to choose only two of them, so that it will be easier for us to understand how this works. So here I will write shea butter, cocoa butter. Yeah. And we are not putting coconut butter in it, because we want to know how this one works without the other. So like for the price, there also we choose two different, that is 250 and 3. And for the guarantee, we just choose a guarantee. And color, we also choose the color. And for the rank, we will give it as a reverse rank, because we are giving a different sort of rank for this one. So here we are almost ready regarding what we are doing now. So what I just did is, like, given are the three options in fragrance, ingredients, and price, I just chose the two of them, so that it would make easier for us to understand what we are doing. So so for the 11, the next step is to choose how this one be graded. So I will just be doing if 11, oh, sorry. If lavender is equals to this, then comma 1, comma 0. This will give me, if this one lavender, if our this cell is equals to fragrance of lavender, then we will get 1, otherwise we will get 0. Likewise, I will do the same for this one, equals to if, oh no, I can just drag it here, so that it will be easier to understand. Here it's shown 0, but from here we can see that the cursor has already shifted to shea butter. So here we just need to shift it to here, so that it will be easier for to give it. So you can see here, if mm, cell H13 is equals to lavender, then it's not equal, right? So it will be given 0. This means our formula is working good. Likewise, in shea butter, we will choose if shea butter tab, and I will lock the column equals to this one, then 1, comma 0, same as the before. Likewise, I will drag this one here. So here you can see the formula has shifted from ingredient to price. So we will just drag this one to shea butter, and see if this is done right or not. So I think it's good. Likewise, the same thing works for the prices. If this tab, I will lock the row equals to 2.50, comma 1, comma 0, we will get 1. But the same thing I will drag here, it will get 0. Here it is correct, but if you see the formula, it has been shifted to guarantee. So we will just need to take care of it and put it to the price. Here you will also get the 0. And for the guarantee, we have only two options, either yes or no. So like, if do the same, but a bit different on this. If guarantee yes equals to exclamation yes, then 1 comma 0. It will become 1, but same thing, 1. So here what I did is, if the column, if the cell guarantee, oh sorry, if the guarantee, if you got the guarantee and it's the yes, then you will get 1. If not, you will get the 0. Likewise, it will be same for the, oh, what did I do? It will be same for the color as well. You just need to put it if, so here I will do different. If natural E14 is equals to comma white, then 1 comma 0, then here you can guess that the answer will be 0, because natural, if E14 is equals to white, but the E14 we got here is natural, so the answer will be 0. Here you got all the answers. You can just check it. Yes, this one is equals to white, then 1 equals to 0 is not white, so it's 0. Guarantee is yes, then it's 0. Likewise, you can see all formulas are working better. So for the reverse, rank reverse, oh sorry, I put it here differently. For the reverse rank, just put it here. Our highest is 18, right? Our highest rank is given is 18. So our reverse rank formula will be the highest rank given plus 1 minus the required cell that need to be applied. So our highest rank is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 minus 13. So we will get the reverse rank of the lavender, having ingredient of shea butter and price 250 with guarantee yes, and having a natural color. It will be 6. So you just need to copy all of this and give it down there. We have got what we wanted in terms of the numbers, and we are ready for the regression analysis. But before that, you need to first check if it's either correct or not. So let's check a random one. Here, mint non-pregnant, so this one's will be 0, right? Yeah, it's good. So I will check the shea butter. So shea butter, this might be the one. Yeah, it's correct. And like I will also check this one. So 3 3, it will be 1, and I will check this one. Guarantee, if no, yes, then no, I will get a 0. Likewise here, I will get a 1 because it's white and I have given the formula white. So I think it's good to go. So the next step, how we do the customer uh, conjoint analysis, is we put all this data into a regression analysis. Here in regression analysis, we put reverse rank in a y-axis, and all these lavender, mint, shea butter, cocoa butter, dollar 2.50 and $3 guarantee and color into a x-axis, so that we can get a value either they have a significant impact on the analysis or not. So go to data, go to data analysis, and you will have regression over here. Okay. Oh, it's already given here, so I will just be cleaning up all these. So you will have a y range of rank up to here. Oh no, you will have the y range of rank over here, and x range from lavender to color. So you have got all of these. You will put the labels on so that it will be easier for us to understand where is it going and what is this. So we will have our output in the next worksheet. So you can just apply OK, and you can see we have our output given. From the output, we can analyze different things, such as here we can see our R square is really good, 98.31%, which shows that our analysis is going in a good way. Likewise, our significance is also good. It it indicates that it is less than 0.05, which means the analysis is going a really good way. Likewise, you can see the intercept is 6.33. Lavender has an intercept of -4.5, mint has 3.5, shea butter has -1.5. This is a negative intercept. It means that it will move to the opposite direction. In terms of shea butter and lavender, we have the price of say 7.67 coefficient, and 3 has price 3 has 4.833, and the guarantee has -1.5 coefficient, and color has +4.1 coefficient. Here we can see that the price has the greater impact because it has the highest coefficient, highest positive coefficient of all. Like 7.67 is the highest possible coefficient. From the output, it is clear that the analysis is really good because our R square and our significant F is really good, which means we are doing the good way. So the next step would be to identify the utility of the attributes. This means you have the fragrance, lavender, mint, and non-fragrant. What will be the total utility of that? Likewise, you have the ingredients, shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut butter. What will be the overall utility of that? Likewise, what will be the utility of the prices? What will be the utility of guarantee and color? In order to identify, you just have to put it, just put, okay, fragrance and utility. Just making it easier to understand. So we have fragrance of lavender, mint, and non-fragrant. So you can see that lavender have the utility of -4.5 and mint have the utility of 3.5, whereas for the non-fragrant we have in the non-fragrant, so its utility will be 0. Here the total utility will be the range, that is highest minus the smallest. Here the highest is 3.5 minus the smallest is, you might think the smallest is 0, but we have -4.5 as a value, so 0 is greater than -4.5. That means -4.5 is smallest of all these values, so the range will be 8. Let's just give it a yellow one so that it will be easier for us to understand. Okay, likewise, let's do the utility for ingredients. Utility. So for ingredients, we have shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut, I guess. For shea butter, we have -1.5 coefficient. For cocoa butter, we have -2. And for coconut, we have 0. So the total utility will be, like as I said, highest. Here the highest is 0 because both the values are -2 and -1.5. So minus. So in terms of the negative value, the most negative value between -2 and -1.5 will be -2. So our answer will be the total utility of 2. Likewise, make it a bit easier to understand. So again, the price utility. So let's see, we have price of 2.5, 3, and 3.5. So just to make it easier, then you can do the utility of the price is 7.67 and 4.83, and this one's is 0. So the total utility will be equals to highest minus the lowest. That means you have the total utility of price as 7.67. So here we have the total utility of fragrance as 8, total utility of ingredients as 2, and total utility of price as 7.67. You can easily see this one's has a different importance. Here utility means the importance. Likewise, let's do the attributes. Let's do the ultimate one and importance or utility. You can write it utility. I'll just wrap this. So the attribute fragrance will have the total utility of 8. Ingredient will have the total utility of 2, and price will have the ultimate utility of 7.67. Likewise, the guarantee will have the total utility of negative 1.5, and the color finally will have the utility of 4.5. Here, the utility determines your importance. How is it working here in the analysis? From this, you can see that the fragrance is the ultimate thing for the customers because they value the fragrance so much. And in fragrance, you can see the mint has the greater value. This means most of the customers prefer mint as the fragrance. Likewise, in ingredients, you can see shea butter and coconut butter both have the negative values. Here, from this, we can say that the most of the consumers prefer coconut as an ingredient, not like in a huge amount, but amongst the shea butter and cocoa butter, they prefer coconut as the ingredient, but their overall utility as is low in compared to other attributes. Likewise, in price, you can easily guess like people prefer less price to be more effective for them. It's the human nature. You can like you don't need to explain that because if you got the good product in the less price, we will always be happy, and it is the inverse of that in case of opposite signs. So likewise, the guarantee have the negative of importance in the product, and the color has the importance of 4.5. So this is our conjoint analysis. Here we can see that we have done the analysis and we have got what attributes are important for making up a product that will help us to gain the customers and retain who are already there. Likewise, we we can also do the orthogonal analysis for this one. For this, just go to, okay, I will just rename this as regression analysis. So our next part would be to do the orthogonal analysis. Firstly, we should know what an orthogonal analysis is. What does it mean, and why do we need to make the orthogonal analysis? Uh, What is the importance of orthogonal analysis in our conjoint analysis? Simply, orthogonality means the independent variables that are not correlated with each other. Simply, it is the correlation analysis. We can also give somehow it is similar to the correlation analysis, which would allow each variable to have an independent effect on dependent variable without interference from others. So, without any further delay, let's move to our orthogonal analysis. It's simple as the others. We just need to select all. So just go to data analysis, go to, okay, correlation. You might find correlation over here. Okay, put it okay. Just give it this all. Okay. So these are our independent variables. Orthogonal analysis means these independent variables are not correlated with each other. Okay, so we are not putting dependent variable on this. We are just putting independent variable and see how they are correlated to each other. So just go into that, labels in the first row, worksheet in the new. Okay, so here you can see we have different attributes with their relationships with each other. Here you can see, I'll just make it easier to understand. Okay, so here you can see the relation between lavender and lavender is 1. This must happen, right? Otherwise, our problem will be wrong. Likewise, the relationship between mint and lavender is minus negative zero point 0.5. So this means mint is negatively correlated with lavender with the value of negative zero point 0.5. Likewise, mint and with the mint will have this perfect correlation because they are the same. So this you can see a diagonal going through in each cells that I'm clicking. You can see here that each of them have a 1. This means it's the relationship between lavender and lavender, mint and mint, shea butter and shea butter, cocoa butter and cocoa butter, price 2.5 with 2.5, 3 with 3, and guarantee, color and color. Likewise, you can see the negative value with each of the mint and lavender, cocoa and shea butter, and 3 and 2.5. This means this all data shows that they are not correlated with each other. That means our data is good and we will not have any kind of problem in doing the orthogonality analysis. And the conjoint analysis and orthogonality analysis both shows and helps us to identify the product that best suits the customers and helps an organization to grow both by revenue and a customer wise. So this is our orthogonal analysis. And this is our regression analysis. So we have done both of them in an easier way. So in future, if you want to know how this is done, it will give you a better example of how to do it more easily. I hope you guys understand like easily so that it will be very beneficial in the future. In case of any questions, you can just ping me, or like you can ping my professor too, who has been working on this since a very long time. So by saying this, I want to say goodbye to you all. Hope you are fine and thank you.